Before you go to a conference, clarify your objective. Ask yourself, are you going primarily to learn? Do you want hands-on training or workshops? Is your goal to network with KOLs or business partners? Are you aware that many conferences are heavily sponsored and commercially biased? Being clear on your purpose ensures your time and money are well spent. Pros of attending a conference. 1. Networking opportunities. Meet key opinion leaders, industry peers, potential collaborators, and suppliers in person. 2. Exposure to emerging trends. Discover new technologies, treatment methods, and industry developments. Note: not all trends have a proven track record. Approach with clinical caution. New trends can easily be discovered online. 3. Renewed inspiration. The energy of live events and conversations can reignite motivation, creativity, and professional drive. Cons of attending a conference include: 1. High costs of ticket fees, flights, accommodation, and lost clinic time. It adds up quickly. 2. Sales-driven content. Many sessions are sponsored and skewed toward product marketing rather than unbiased education. 3. Shallow learning. Presentations are often introductory. Deep evidence-based learning is usually better through structured courses or online platforms. 4. Lack of true hands-on experience. Many workshops are passive demos. Actual hands-on practice is limited or absent. 5. Overwhelm and fatigue. Large events can be crowded, overstimulating, and hard to navigate without a clear plan. Final thought. If your goal is deep evidence-based education, online learning or small group training may offer better value and clarity. If you're seeking networking, visibility, or creative energy, a targeted conference may be worthwhile, but only if you attend with clear purpose and strategic intent. Please comment, subscribe, and share. Aesthetics and Skin Institute is a global leader in online aesthetics learning.